Late start today, late start. I didn't go to bed until like basically 2 a.m. last night, which is not exactly the best. So I'm literally just gonna start working because I need to study for my quiz tomorrow because I haven't studied for that, so I need to do that. And yeah, so many things I need to do. I gotta wrap my head around. I gotta also send an email to my professor about what I want to review in class tomorrow because we have a review class, so there's a few things I need to get done. But first, I'm gonna go get my oil of oregano going because, as I said, it's very important. My kitchen also does not smell very nice. Maybe it has something to do with all the garbage here. I will fix this. I need to take out the garbage tomorrow anyway. School day, so that means I need to leave the house and might as well use that opportunity to take out the garbage. But yeah, anyway, sorry. Oil up right first, and I'm gonna have cereal probably, and then just work. Oh my goodness. It is almost 5. Well, it's almost 4:30 technically. I'm so tired, it's not even funny. I am exhausted. My head hurts. I think from wearing the headphones all day, I'm just so tired. But I have been working on reviewing. I've been working on reviewing, and I feel like I'm getting a bunch of stuff down, which is good. I reviewed a practice quiz, and it was okay. It's just, it took me a while to look things up, and it's only an hour quiz, but 20 minutes, so that's 3 minutes per question. So I just gotta make sure that like I know what to search up and stuff, you know. Control F is gonna be my best friend. But yeah, I also have these review questions from class, like each week there's review questions, and I haven't actually done them, so I'm gonna do those. But not now. I need to take a nap right now. I'm so tired. I am also running out of food, I think. Well, running out is dramatic. I have enough for one more meal, but I'm gonna save that for probably tomorrow when I come back from school. So I ordered some Safeway, healthy Safeway. Not Safeway, sorry. I ordered some Subway, healthy Subway. And that should be enough to get me through today, get me through this stressful time. I really wish I didn't have this quiz. I wanted to just focus on bankruptcy, but I haven't been able to do that. It's okay. I'm on nap now. I've just been informed that it's snowing, so let's see outside. Definitely snowing. I have to go to school tomorrow, so I'm not actually very happy about this. Oh well. White Christmas. Okay, so I've been told by my friends that there might be a chance that the school will close tomorrow because the school closes when there's a lot of snow, and then I checked the weather report. Turns out it's gonna snow till 3 p.m. tomorrow. My class is at 11. The quiz is at 11 a.m. So I also have like bankruptcy review. Like I have a class and I also have a meeting with the prof. So I'm a little a little concerned, okay? See, here's the thing. Normally it'd be like, yay, there's no quiz. Let's not worry about it. But I spent this whole day going over civil procedure. I feel like I got a pretty good tactic and process in approaching the quiz. It's only 10%, by the way. That's why I'm not too worried. But still counts for your mark. So that's why I dedicated a whole day today towards the course. So if school is canceled and classes are canceled, I'm gonna be a little annoyed because I could use this whole day to study for bankruptcy and it's gone to waste. So, but in my head, I'm still acting like there's a quiz tomorrow. So my plan is still to wake up early tomorrow. I'm gonna go to bed early today. It's almost 10. I had dinner. I'm editing the video for today now. I should be in bed and asleep before midnight, unlike 2 a.m. last night. So even if I get up at like 6:30, still 6.5 hours of sleep, and that's better than a lot other days that I've had. So yes, my plan is to just edit this video and just get ready for bed. So tomorrow we have school. Let's hope. And yeah, like I said, appreciate y'all, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. All right, bye.